They don't respect you because they already know you won't do a damn thing. That's the unspoken contract. You're the nice one, the peacekeeper, the emotional airbag, the ever-available, never-threatening, self-sacrificing applause machine. You don't set boundaries. You send polite suggestions and hope no one gets offended. You write paragraphs instead of saying no. You over-explain, over-apologize, and undervalue every ounce of your energy. I'm the Darklight Mentor, and I didn't come here to make you dangerous. I came to remind you that you already are. You've just been trained to sedate it, conditioned to believe that strength equals harm, that fire must always be filtered, that edge makes you unlovable. You think being liked will eventually lead to being respected. That's the oldest lie in the Social Survival Handbook. People don't respect what's always available. People don't respect what never pushes back. People respect what costs something. And your approval? It's a clearance item, marked down, handed out like Halloween candy, no matter how someone treats you. Then you wonder why your no doesn't land, why your silence doesn't scare them, why your absence isn't noticed. Because nothing about you felt expensive. Nothing about you demanded reverence, and that stops now. Here's your first trial. Think of one person who constantly crosses your line. Because you drew it in chalk, you let it slide again and again because you wanted to be understanding. You called it patience, compassion, emotional intelligence. It was fear, disguised, sanitized, sold to you as virtue. Want the truth bomb? Being too nice is a trauma response with good marketing. It's people-pleasing dressed up in spiritual glitter. You keep thinking that if you're agreeable enough, selfless enough, soft enough, the world will magically start treating you better. But guess what? That strategy only teaches people one thing. I can do whatever I want to this person. They won't push back. Still not stinging? Let me push deeper. The version of you that bends over backwards, that says no worries with a clenched jaw, that laughs off disrespect and then cries alone like it's a ritual, that version is not your highest self. It's your survival costume, and you hate it. Second trial. Drop in the comments the last time you chose being liked over being respected. Don't overthink it. Don't sugarcoat it. Name the moment, the fake smile, the silence that should have been a storm. Drop it, if you dare. Want people to start respecting you? Become expensive. Stop explaining your boundaries. Enforce them. Stop smiling at disrespect. Go silent. Learn to make people feel the weight of your absence when they take your presence for granted. Like, subscribe, and slap that bell icon like you're breaking the spell of your own obedience. This isn't personal growth. This is a power recall. Next time, I'll teach you the 3-second tactic that flips the power dynamic in any room. Without saying a single word. No posturing, no performance, just raw, silent authority. But for now, being nice won't save you. It'll just train people to overlook you. Being real might. Because when you stop begging for respect, when you stop negotiating your worth in whispers, people finally start treating you like someone they can't ignore. Respect isn't requested, it's remembered. And it begins the second you decide to stop shrinking.